We are delighted to have you on board. At Skillveda, our mission is to empower individuals through accessible, high quality learning experiences, be it a short term course, webinar, or a hands on training. As your partner in skill development, we offer a diverse range of learning opportunities, including webinars, offline workshop, and training programs, all designed to help you achieve your career aspirations. Let's dive into the fourth class of 1 month certification course on Jolly Phonics. We will explore Group 4 and how to form short stories with the sounds, and will be doing more practice on sound buttons. Joining us is the accomplished Miss Debjani Das.
Can I see you all?
A renowned trainer
अच्छा,
and consultant with over 30 years of experience in education.
Twinkle ma'am, you are getting stuck.
I am okay, fine, fine. Let me check. Debjani ji, can we start?
Yeah, we can start.
So should I give introduction again because I have already
Yeah, it's okay. I think there was a little bit
yeah,
of break from your part. That is every day they
fine,
know
fine,
who,
fine, fine.
by now. Everyone knows.
Yes.
Who am I?
Yes, exactly. You are a famous personality now. Everybody knows it.
Oh, thank you. You have made me. Okay, so a very, very good evening. Hope you have all understood till group 3. Everything was clear. But yes, I will tell you again. There is a confusions about the sound buttons, blending sounds, and the diagraphs. Still, you are all not getting it correct. So I will start with a little bit of work, and let's start with group 4, then I will do the work revision, because we need to do, because that's what I was telling Miss Jen. Without sound buttons, without getting a clear picture of diagraphs and blendings, how you see, this is not about what I am understanding. You have to understand that you are going to make the kids understand that. So if I don't have a clear picture of it, I won't be able to deliver that to the kids. That is the problem. So our understanding should be very clear and absolutely with clarity and conviction. Okay. So first let's start with the group 4. So the first one that we can see. So what is this sound is called? What is this sound is called?
Diphthongs, ma'am.
This is a diphthong, and in a broader perspective, this is a digraph.
Diagram. Okay.
Yes, because all diphthongs are digraphs, but all digraphs are not diphthong, right? So this is, and what rule it will follow? This is two
When
vowel,
two letters come together to make
not
one
two
sound.
letters. Malati ma'am, not two letters, two vowels. When walking together, the first one talk and the second one will keep quiet, and the first one will say only its name. right? So that is the rule that this is going to follow, and this is a digraphs, and in the digraph it is the specially it is called the diphthong because there are two vowels. So how it will be pronounced? A and I. We know A is pronounced as ah, and I is pronounced as e. So what we will say? I.
Yeah.
Yes, we will say it A. The way we call it na A. Come on, A. It is A. It is A. When we call someone A, listen, A, come here. So it's A. Have you ever made jelly at home? And when you pour it out of the mold, what happens to that jelly? It shakes. It shakes. So it is it jiggles, right? Then again we have O and A, like O and A. No. So again the rule one will be followed. It is oh. Oh my God, we say now oh. Right? Yes. Then the fourth one is I and E. E and A. E. Will it be like E?
I.
Yes. Have you ever seen the captain of the ship? They say aye. They said aye. So it's I. Now, have you ever seen a donkey? How it sounds? E-aw. So whenever you are teaching double E, you have to teach OR together. It will be easier for you to do that. So how will you do it? E-aw. E-aw. Now, here R is called bossy R. R is called bossy R. Why? Because R changes the sound of the vowel. Here it is O, but when we are writing, suppose we are writing NOR, no, O. We are changing the sound, like car. When we are writing car, AR, it's care, it's not care. Right? It's not care. It's car. Ah. So the sound of vowel A is changing to ah. For ER also, father, it's from air, it should be air, but it is sounding like father, mother, mixer, right? But when we are saying OR, you have to listen that R is not pronounced. O. It's like oh, when we say oh, open your mouth, oh, like that. Right?
Debjani ji, just a minute.
Huh.
Actually, few participants have joined today only. So can we do group 1, 2, 3 just for a few minutes? So
Yeah,
that
I will do it. Let me finish the group 4. I will go
Okay.
back from her. Because unless and until I do it from there, then the sound buttons, they won't be able to do it.
Okay, fine. Okay.
This mistake, I do it every day.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say?
A.
oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 did you see the
A
billy
billy
goat
goat under the
old
old oak tree. The captain said aye
The
aye.
captain said
Captain said
aye,
aye
aye. The
aye.
captain
Captain
said
said
aye,
aye
aye.
aye.
Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye,
Said
aye.
aye aye.
See the donkey in its
In its
stall.
stall.
E-O, E-O is its
It's
call.
called. So this much clear. I will go back to the previous. Okay. So this is the group 4 we completed, right? So I will just have a quick revision. Yes. So this is Jolly Phonics class. We are going to learn it through fun, sounds and pictures. So Jolly Phonics basically teaches through a multi-sensory way. We listen, we see, we say, we touch, like writing. So in Jolly Phonics, the first instruction is we start with the letter sound called S. So first of all, those who are participating today, can anyone tell me how many alphabets we have? Please, the old participant don't say.
Ma'am,
Anupriya
one
How
ji,
many
alphabet. One
huh?
alphabet. It's one alphabet and 26 letters.
26 letters and how many sounds?
Sounds, 42 sounds, ma'am. 42
Huh?
sounds.
42
42 sounds,
sounds.
ma'am.
Very good. Yeah, Anupriya ma'am knows. Good.
Kalpana
Good.
ji also first time she is attending the class.
Okay.
Kalpana.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just a second.
yeah.
Okay. Uh, so now you must be knowing LSRW also.
LSRW.
This is
No,
a
ma'am.
4 steps to teach literacy. The 4 steps to teach literacy. L stands for listening. So you have to first prepare the kids with the listening. Once they are used to of listening, then comes the speaking. They will repeat. They will start saying. Listening, speaking completed, then comes the reading. What is the reading here stands for?
Ma'am, reading the alphabets? Sorry,
It's not the
letters.
recognizing the sight words, recognizing the sounds, the objects, comparing it, right? So that is the reading part. Then at last comes the writing one. So LSRW is basically the multi-sensorial way of teaching the literacy. Yeah, because you're using the multi-senses, right? So in Jolly Phonics, when we are teaching, so when we are teaching or introducing the consonants, we should, because Jolly Phonics says that it uses the purest form of the sound. Okay, so when we are using the purest form of the sound, always the consonant should come at the end of the word whenever we are introducing that particular word, like bat, right? Bed, d, t, like car. So whenever the consonants that we are teaching should always come at the end so that no other sound can block its way. We can hear the purest form of it. But whenever we are introducing the vowel, it should always come in the beginning. Okay, so like apple, orange, umbrella, ink pot, Okay, egg. So there is no other sound which is blocking the way of the vowels. So it is like the purest form. Jollyphonic is called the synthetic vowel. Jollyphonic is called the synthetic vowel. There are three more, I said synthetic phonic, sorry. There are three more phonics are there. One is analytic, analogy, and embedded. So their definitions I've already sent it in the notes. So Twinkle ma'am will share it with you. If you don't get it, please get back to Jain ma'am. I will explain you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so first group, there are seven groups with 6 sounds each. Okay, so the first group is Satipun. This is the first group sound.
The snake is in.
Acha. Before I start with this, I just want to say that every sound comes along with a story. A small, short, funny story, interactive stories. So that the kids enjoy, because Jollyphonic is all about action, not just sitting and teaching it. It is all about action, full of fun, activities, okay? Lot of dancings, because it is the multisensorial way of teaching it. Okay, so wherever you are sitting, please do the action, because unless and until you're learning the actions, again, why now NEP has aligned to sound or phonics? Because they are focusing, because अभी तो फिर और changes आया है. There's all these R triple R rules, then Kushal both. So what they're saying basically कि हटाओ rote learning को, remove the rote learning. Introduce with fun, introduce with experiments, introduce with the activities. So Jollyphonics basically teaches you the sounds
Practical.
through practical knowledge. So see, when you are doing it with action, the children is going to get the sound immediately, right? Like when you are doing the sound, so if you show them, can we make a snack? So there I went into a park. I was sitting under a tree on the grass, and I saw a snake. You know, so you can do this through small story with some flashcards. So whenever next time you do this action, they can recollect it with the sounds. So they don't have to do the rote learning. They don't have to. So Jollyphonic is all about the actions. So that is the reason why I'm asking everybody to switch on the videos. So let's listen to
In the
this.
grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. And so my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they're causing me alarm. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Inky the mouse is my pet. He spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk.
You can make it a very interesting story that I have a pet mouse in my room who lives in a hole in the wall. One day I locked the room and went to school. When I came back, I saw, oh my God, there is a mess in my room. What did the mouse do? It jumped all over, and what he did, he jumped on my table and spilled the ink, and it became all blue. And now I have punished him by calling him Inky the Mouse. So now he is Inky the Mouse. You can do with the puppet, stick puppets. You can do with the flashcards, right?
Inky's wet.
So you all you go
Puff
to
out
the
the candles on
birthday
the pink, pink cake.
puff the candle.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
No, don't touch the lip. It should be coming in front of the lip. And a gush of hot air will touch the top of the finger. Like puff, 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 puff. Don't touch it. इसको little bit away from your lip. Away from your lip. Then you say puff, puff. Just like when we blow the candle. We blow the candle, na? Same. Then comes the group 2. So there are two sounds, two letter which sound similar. That is C and K, right? Both sounds K, K. Now, how will you differentiate? If a child writes C-I-N-G, king, he's correct. And if a child writes K-A-T, cat, he's correct. He's not wrong. Because his logic says both sounds K. Right? I'll tell you how will you explain this. The next sound is E, egg, E, E, egg on the pan. How you break an egg? You break the egg. E, 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 E. Then hop, hop, and a gush of hot air comes out. Ha, ha, hop, ha, 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 ha. Right? Have you seen an angry dog tearing the mat or a rag? It makes a sound. You pull it, it'll make a sound. So now Sunday is coming, so you must be having some sumptuous lunch or breakfast. So, had a great breakfast. Don't fold your lips. No, it's Then when you beat the drum, tut, 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 tut. So now I will tell you the story.
Kalpana ji, are you getting it? थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yeah, yes, ma'am, I can understand.
Yeah, today only you have joined, and that's why I am asking you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Anupriya ji, you are also getting it now? Good, good.
So now next is Y, C, and K. How a child is going to differentiate. So there are two friends, like me and Jainji. Okay? We two are very good friends but she's tall, I am short. We were walking one day. So now I said that this 5 magic letters sounds, all of us cannot take all. So I told Miss Jain that you are tall, you've got all advantage. You can pluck mango from the tree. You can put the coffee, hide the coffee and the biscuits from me at the top cupboard. So I'm short. So I'll take the 3 out of 5, the 3 magic sound. So basically, Miss Jain is very innocent because she's tall. The shorts are always very cunning, very naughty. So she said, okay, you are such a good friend of mine. You take 3, I'll take 2. So C took the 3, A, O, and U. And K took I and E. Right? So when they're writing king, when K is followed by I, the K sound followed by I, it is K. When K sound is followed by A, It is C. The K sound. Is it clear, Anupriya ma'am and Kalpana ma'am?
No,
Ma'am, once
Kalpana.
you repeat, ma'am, please once
She
you
is not
repeat.
clear.
Yes. When K sound is followed by I and E, it is K. When
Okay.
K sound is followed by A, O and U, it is C sound.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I'm the naughty one, I took 3. I'm C. I have taken 3. A, O and U. And Miss Jain is a nice person. She only took 2. I
I
and
and
E.
E. Okay.
But I'm the naughty one. I'm not happy with 3. I want those other 2 also. So at night, what I did, slowly, silently, I went into her room and took those I and E and ran away to my room. But in the morning, when Miss Jain woke up, and she was furious, she was very angry. She said, "No, Devjani, this is very bad. I trusted you. And what you did, you took the 2 my magic letters. Okay, you can use them. You want to use it? Use them. But you cannot use your sound. So, what is the sound of C?
So,
Sound of C is K.
K, K,
K. K.
K.
You cannot
Ka,
use
ka.
that. You have to use your name. So, what is the name? The name is C.
C. Okay.
So, whenever you see that C is followed by E, it sounds C, like century, cent, cycle,
Okay.
citrus. So it
Okay.
sounds right.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Anupriya ji and
Yeah.
Kalpana ji, you can tell some words also.
Yes.
Ma'am, with the word starting with C and not followed by A or U
Huh.
will be with the sound C, sir.
Huh, huh.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
Not sound. That is the name of C.
Name of
the
C.
name of C.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Name and the sound is K. The name and sound.
Where the name
Name.
comes,
different.
where the name comes, you can tell some words with that.
Okay.
Kalpana ji, you too. आप भी try कीजिए. Please, you also try.
Name sound.
Okay, ma'am,
Okay.
sure.
Ma'am, with the name, it will be camera.
With the name now. That is for the sound. Camera
Sound.
is with the sound.
Camera. Okay,
K.
camera. Okay. Citrus.
Citrus. It is
Citrus
a
is with the
name.
name.
It is the name. Yes, because C
Citrus
is
is with the
followed
name.
by I.
Cinnamon.
City.
Cinnamon.
Citizen.
City.
Citizen.
City.
Citizen. Right. Right. Absolutely right.
Cinema. Madam,
Cinema. Absolutely. Cinema.
Vinayak ji active
Outdoor.
now.
Vinayak ji is always active. I like that.
Kalpana ji,
Not-
oh, you also try. Kalpana ji, you want to try? Please try.
Citizen, the name I told. ma'am.
Citizen.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
he said.
yes,
She
yes.
said citizen.
I know any other you want to say, you can say, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Cement.
Cement.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
of
Julie
course.
ji and Janakrandan, anybody, it's for open for all. This is
So now we call this caterpillar, when we are showing them, we have named it curly caterpillar. Why curly? CU, curly caterpillar,
Curly. Okay.
right?
Because it comes
And-
with A or U.
Yes. And kicking K.
Kicking K. Okay.
Yes,
Kicking K
you have
because
to-
it's K-I-E.
Yes.
Okay.
KI, kicking K, right? So now you have to draw this. You can prepare some decorative things with this, but this is your assignment, the first assignment. Okay?
Kalpana ji, I will be sending you the assignment. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can hear the sound. See? So have you ever seen those castanets? Those Mexican dancers they use. In Zindagi Milegi Na Dobara, that song that lady was dancing with that instrument. Clicking sound. Makes a clicking sound. Okay, they dance with that floral dress, with those gowns, and then they tap their feet and they tap their fingers. So they have a small instruments in their hands. So it sounds clicking sounds. So that instrument is called castanets.
Castanets. Okay.
Yes. So let's see.
We are
We are
clicking
clicking
castanets.
castanets.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Castanets.
Clicking
Clicking
castanets. We
castanets.
are
Clicking
clicking castanets.
castanets.
Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
See, both are but one is kite and one is castanets.
Castanets.
Eggs in the pan.
Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this.
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
The puppy.
See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
Sorry. Just a second.
The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun. See me play upon my drum.
So this is the group 2. Now group 3. Have you ever tried in your childhood, in the wash basin, closing the outlet with some plugs and filling the wash basin, and when the wash basin is filled, just plug it out and you see how that water goes inside through the outlet? It makes a gurgling sound, right? Gug, 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 gug. The water goes down like this. Gug, 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 gug. So this is g g g g g g g g g. And then comes on and off. How will you say? On and off. The switching on the light and switching off the light. Ah, 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 ah. And opening the umbrella. How we open the umbrella? Ah, 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 ah. Then what do you do when you have a tasty lollipop? Or an ice cream, stick ice cream. We lick it. And have you ever seen or have you ever done that? I love doing it. When you go get those plastic balls or a plastic fish, and it gets a small hole, and the air starts coming out, and pressing it from the top, and the air comes little louder. It's fun. Press it and slowly it will become flat. So And here comes my favorite game, the bat and the ball. B, b, b.
The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurg, 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 gurg. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Got it? Now we have the 5 magical sounds that the 5 fingers have. A, E, I, O, A. Okay. So you have to make a stick puppet out of it. Ma'am will share the picture of it and you can make it out of it
Already shared
today.
with Kalpana ji. Kalpana ji and
Haan.
Anupriya ji, just check
Yeah.
once. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
So vowel hand is why it is called the special, because the vowel has 2 sounds. Only vowels have 2 sounds. One is a long sound and there is short sound. The long sound is the name of the letter, that is A, E, I, O, U, and the short sound is A, E, I, O, A. Am I clear?
Okay.
Will I do
Ma'am,
it once again?
once
Yes.
you repeat.
So the vowel is special because it is the vowels which have 2 sounds. There are, of course, exceptions. There are 2 consonants also. They have these 2 sounds, but they are called different. But this is for the special sound of vowels. They have 2 sounds. One is the long sound. That is the name of the letter. That is A, E, I, O, U.
You.
Okay. And the short sound is A, E, I, O, A.
Okay. Yeah.
Good.
A.
A,
A.
E,
A.
I, O,
A.
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 Yes. A, E, I, E, O, A.
E.
E, O, A.
O.
A, E, I, O, U.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. A-E-I-O-U.
Yes. Then the first rule of the Johnny Phonics, when 2 vowels go walking, they do a lot of talking, like me and Jayanji. We do a lot of talking. Nobody hears what we are saying. Neither she can hear mine, nor I can hear hers. So then one day we decided that who will be the first walking will do only the talking. The next one will keep quiet. Right? But when I'm going to do the talking, when I'm first, I cannot use my sound. I have to use my name. That is, I have to use my long sound. I cannot use my short sound.
Kalpana ji is a little confused. Devjani ji, say it again.
I know,
Yeah.
I can see. When 2 vowels go walking, you can
Okay.
consider me and Jayanji as 2 vowels. Okay?
Okay.
So we
Okay.
do a lot of talking. So when we talk, we need to hear what we are talking, right? If both are talking at the same time, we cannot hear each other. So we signed a contract. Who will be walking the first will do a lot of talking. The second one will keep quiet. But there is a but. But when whoever will be in the first will only can do the talking by taking its name, the long sound. Like when A and I are going walking, it cannot be A says A and I says E. So it is not I, it is A.
A.
So we can only hear the long sound.
Okay.
Clear? Now it is clear?
Yes,
Ma'am,
sir.
can you
When
explain
you-
this again?
just say it again.
It is A.
Dev, Kalpana ji, suppose Devjani ji is A and I am I.
Okay.
Now tell
Yes.
them. Now tell.
O and A. O and A. So
Acha.
what is the short sound of O?
What, ma'am?
Short sound of O?
Oh,
Oh.
Oh,
And what is the short sound of A?
A.
A. So how O and A will be pronounced?
oh,
Oa.
O.
wow.
But we pronounce it O.
O.
But
Oh,
yes, because O is the name of the vowel, that is the long sound, and A will keep quiet. ना बाबा मैं बात नहीं करूँ, मैं बाद में बात करूँ. Right? Understood? Clear? Now there is a term called diagraph. There is a term called diagraph.
Devjani ji, sorry to disturb you. Can you give some examples of O and A?
We will give. We will give. I will give.
Yeah.
I will give. हाँ.
Okay.
I will give once I do the diagraph. Then
Okay.
आज ही तो अभी तो जो हम group 4 करवाया उधर ही है. So I will
हाँ.
do. हाँ.
If possible, we will take an extra class for all these things again, na? If
हाँ
possible.
हाँ हाँ one or two हम लोग तो देते ही रहते हैं.
हाँ वही
Doubt
वही
clearing classes तो we give.
क्योंकि आई वांट कि कल्पना जी का जो भी कंफ्यूजन है ना वो दूर हो जाए. आई
हाँ,
वांट all
there
her
is lot of
confusion gets cleared.
question marks.
Yes,
हाँ.
yes.
So no, that will be taken care of. Don't worry, ma'am.
Okay.
So we will do that.
Yeah.
So A and I. So there is a term called diagraphs. What is diagraph is when two sound they come together. Okay, when two sounds comes together and they are forming one sound which is different. Right? Two sounds coming together, forming one sound. You can only hear one sound and different. When AI comes together, we can hear A. A is one single sound and absolutely different than A and I, right? C and H. Can you hear the sound of C and H separately? K and her? No. It is giving rise to a different sound, ch. O and R. This is vowel and consonant. When they are coming together, it is also changing. Because bossy R, I will teach you what is bossy R today. I'm going to take that class. Bossy R. Bossy R changes the sound of the vowel. It is not R. It is OR. We'll come to that. But in this diagraph, only when two vowels are there, they are called diphthong. A-I-O-A-I-E. They are all vowel, 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 vowel. That means all diphthongs are digraphs. But all digraphs are not diphthong. Right? So today we did group 4. A and I, when say it together, it is said A. 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 I cannot hear you. A. Then OA. It's O. O. IE. I. The captain on the ship says I. Right? And then double E. Can you hear both the sounds together? No. You can hear only single E. E, O, E, O, E, O, like a donkey. Now, when we are doing this, when we are teaching the children on the whiteboard, how we will do it. This is very important. Once again, all of you listen, because most of you have done wrong. Please, if you don't learn the sound button properly, then it is not worth learning Jolly Phonics. Because Jolly Phonics comes with the buttons. Buttons is very, very, very important. Okay, so now when we are writing the word, now how many sounds you can hear? Anupriya ma'am and Kalpana ma'am, how many sounds you can hear? K,
A, T,
not T. Please don't say T. T is again T, T. It's T. The purest form of the sound. Yes. K, A, cat. So now what will you do? Take a red pen. K. Put a button under K. Then put a button under A. And then put a button under T. And they will identify how many sounds are there?
3 sounds.
3. Kalpana ji, you got it? So this is very, very, very important. Now when I'm saying how many sounds are there?
3, ma'am.
How?
3, ma'am.
Sh, E, P.
Yes. 3. Vinayak sir, 3.
3, ma'am. 3.
Yes. Because SH is giving rise to one single sound. Sh. Then E.
E, P.
Right? So when two sounds giving one different sound is called the, what is it called? Digraphs.
Diagram.
But when I'm writing from, how many sounds you can hear?
4. Ma'am, 3. Fr, F.
In from, you can, is there any single sound? No. You can hear f and r separately.
Wow.
From and
4
r
sounds.
separately. So it is 4.
4 sounds.
This is called the blend words. When they are spoken together, but you can hear them separately. They are spoken together, but you can hear them separately. Is called blend words. And when you can hear, when the together they come and form one single sound, different, is called digraphs. Is SH a diphthong? Is SH is a diphthong or a digraph?
Digraph, ma'am.
It is a digraph, it is not diphthong.
No, ma'am. You said consonant, consonant is a
Correct.
digraph.
Yes, yes. So this is not a diphthong. This is purely a digraph. But if I write here, now how many sounds?
Three sounds, ma'am.
Yes. Three, right? Like in O and A, you can hear only one sound, oh. And these two are what? Are they only digraphs? They are? Can we call them diphthong? Can we call them diphthong?
Yes, ma'am. Because diphthongs
Two
as well as
vowels. Yes, because it is two vowels, right? So this is called two vowels. Can we do a short classwork for 5 minutes? I will give the words so that it will be more clear.
Ma'am, I have a request, ma'am.
Yes, tell me please.
Ma'am, the words which you told, consonants with consonants, vowels with vowels, and consonant with vowels, those sounds,
Hmm.
can you explain them again, ma'am?
They are called the digraphs.
Digraphs. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, because when they are getting along together, see, then they
Yes,
are
ma'am.
getting along together, but
Yes, ma'am.
giving rise to one single sound,
Okay.
different sound. They are digraphs.
Okay, ma'am.
ट्विंकल जी मैं लिख रही हूँ आप कष्ट मत कीजिए
I was just trying to help you.
diagrams हो गया? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And but only when two vowels coming together, they are called diphthongs.
Okay, ma'am.
Only when two vowels,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So we will do some words, classwork.
Kalpana ji, any doubt, please, you can ask at any time.
अभी डाउट आ जाएगा.
अच्छा, अभी डाउट क्लियर हो जाएगा या डाउट आ जाएगा अभी?
डाउट आएगा तो फिर मैं क्लियर कर दूंगी.
अच्छा, ओके.
Okay. So what you have to do, you have to put the sound button, and at the side you have to write how many sounds you can hear. Right? Put the sound buttons with red ink. Put the sound buttons in a red ink, in a proper paper, in a proper way, because these are all going to add to your gradations, grades, what you are going to get into the certificates. If you are not participating, your certificate will not have any grades. So this is what grades will be given to you with your participation. This is the classwork. You have to do it. So the time is,
You can do on the sheet and send it to me.
yes,
Write your name
just,
on the sheet. Write your name on the sheet.
yes, please do that because we get confused.
Yes. You can copy the words in the sheet and then you can do it.
Ma'am, we should say only number of sounds,
Yes, you have to
not
write that.
diphthongs.
No, no,
Only
no, no, not only the number of sounds. And put the button with red color.
yes, yes, yes. Already I
Sound
put.
button.
I have not written diphthongs and this.
No, 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 no. You don't have to mention that.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Alka ma'am, you forgot to mention the number of sounds. And the thing is, not the letters should be with any other color, but only the buttons, because to identify, because both if you write with red, then you won't be able to identify it. रमनप्रीत कौर मैम का एकदम पसंद नहीं है, पूरा काट दिया. एकदम
Please
Yes, sir.
don't
You are,
write on the whiteboard, please.
yes, Vinayak sir. Yes, absolutely. You have understood. I'm so glad and so proud of you. But mud make you, why mud under mud you have given?
No, already I have mentioned dots, madam, there.
No, why two? Mud, mud. It is
Ha,
three
ma.
sounds.
No, but actually it is taking ma. Ma, that is
Ah,
complete sound of ma, na? That's taken.
mm, 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 It's not ma, it's ah.
So it is also okay.
It is not changing. M and U is
Okay.
not changing and giving rise to anything else.
But it is taking only one sound.
How? Mud, mud, ma, ad.
UD.
You can hear three sounds. Ma, ad, ma, ad, ma,
Okay.
ad, mud. Like ma, ag, ma, ag, ma,
Yes.
ag, mug, ma, ad, mud,
Okay,
ma,
ma'am.
ad, mad. Kalpana ma'am, from is wrong. First of all, please don't write on the board. Secondly, from is not three sounds because F and R is not forming one single sound. Here you are doing wrong. The digraphs and the blends, they are two different things. Digraph is one single sound. Vinayak sir, digraph is one single sound. Mad mein you can hear both the sounds. Ah, d, mud. Right? Even in flap, flap, you can hear and a. Please listen. When you are here, please attentively listen. Digraphs and blends are two different things. Digraphs are when two are coming together, giving rise to one single different sound. Is digraphs. I'm getting confused. And when you can hear, though they are spoken together, but you can hear both the sound clearly. You can hear both the sound clearly, like from, you can hear f and r. They are not forming one single sound, right? So they are blends.
Anupriya ji, don't send in the group, please. DM me because
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I'm really sorry, ma'am.
it's okay. It's okay. Please. Devjani ji, just keep on telling you which are right because there are many papers I sent you, no? That's why.
Julie ma'am, never put underline A under the blend words, okay? Because blends are independent sound, like this, this, and this. Because when you are putting underline, that means they are together pronouncing one. So in blends, never underline them. They will have simple buttons. Like when you are writing in flap, like this. Only you can put underline when if I write because O and A are making one single sound. O. Right? Correct? Gurjeet Kaur ma'am, drum. In drum, how many sounds you can hear? There are 4 sounds. See? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like flap. Okay. There's one mistake.
Okay, ma'am.
Another slim. In slim also, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 4. Bump, array, ma'am. B-U-M-P, B-A-M-P, M-P. It is 2 separate sounds. I will teach you the initial blends and the finishing blends afterwards, tomorrow in the next class. Okay, so again, this is 4 sounds. So there is wrong, bump is wrong, drum is wrong, slim is wrong. Yes, Sanjana ma'am, all correct. Yes, Malti. No, this is Malti ma'am. All correct. Anupriya. Yeah, correct. First day. Not correct. The drum. Again, drum. Drum is 4 sounds. Okay. There is no underline. There is no underline. Even in drop also, it is also 4. Because D, R, they are, you can hear them. You can hear the single sound. Mug, g. You have to do a lot of practice. But the first day, it's okay. Sarabjit,
Devjani ji, Alka ji ka, yeah, please continue.
just let me finish this. Sarabjit ma'am,
Yes.
please put the sound buttons with the red color. Otherwise, I'll not check. Because sound buttons comes with the red ink. Julie ma'am. Julie ma'am, yours is correct. I told you, only don't put that underline. Alka ma'am का आपने कहाँ दिया?
Ma'am,
In a
mine,
different. Alka ma'am
Malati.
is all correct. All correct. Huh?
She has no. Yeah, you, Malti ji was right. है ना देवजानी? Check the paper ना.
Just now I checked. All correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
All correct. Right. So today we finish here because we have summed up the whole thing today from the beginning till group 4. On Saturday, we will be doing a lot of other thing, the rules, and even with group 4 also, I will be doing some more activities. And on Saturday, I will be asking you, I'm telling you right now, and the ma'am will write it down also. There will be a small story session. Once you will be forming 2-line stories out of the sounds that till now you have learned with some picture cards.
अभी देवजानी जी, which the hand vowel which we sent you ना, Alka ji
those
is
are
asking
correct.
you कि उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा आप बता दीजिए कैसा किया, whatever is the reply.
No, that was
आप बहुत
fine. that is हम तो देख लिया, those are all correct. You can modify it, you can change it, because see this hand is very important. Importance of the vowels you need to understand. You have to make the kids understand, so you can make lot of other puppets. You can also make it. Acha, I'll show you in the next class the glove puppet, how I've made a glove puppet out of the vowels and how I'm teaching them. Right, I will do a demo, a small demo. I will do that demo. So you can also, you can modify according to you. See, teaching method is yours. I will guide you, and rest is how you implement is yours. But the equipment is the TLMs, the teaching learning materials should be there in hand. So the glove puppet or the sick puppet for the vowels is very important. Right? I will even show you how I have made, today I'm not carrying it. I will show you how I during my class, how I have made the Curly the caterpillar and the kicking K. I will show you that, the samples. So you will understand that how you are going to represent them in the classrooms. Right?
Are we done with today's class, Devjani ji?
Yes, yes.
Any doubts? Any questions?
Ma'am, I have a doubt here, ma'am. Like
Yeah,
a
please,
diagraph, a diagraph, you said AICH and OR is diagraph, but
No. Any two sounds, when coming together, it can be SH, it can be AI, it can
that's
be
the,
EI. Any two sound, that is an example. Any
Okay,
two
okay.
ER, any two sounds that's coming together, forming
So
one
will you
single
give us
different
that?
sound.
Will you give us that sounds,
All
ma'am?
that,
Like
yes, while we will
all the-
finish the diagraph groups, you will get to know all the diagraphs.
We will be
Okay.
getting you. We will be sending you all the notes, Julie ji. Don't worry.
Nay, by the end of the groups, you will
Yeah.
get all the diagraphs.
And all
All the
the
diagrams.
Thank,
And I will make a
information
list
also
of the
you will get.
diagrams. I will send it to you.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Any other doubts? Any other questions? कल्पना जी थोड़ी हैवी मतलब any doubts till now?
Doubts है.
No, ma'am.
Doubts
No,
है
ma'am.
वो we know वो तो होंगे but obviously
आज तो पहला क्लास है, so there will be doubts.
we will do one more extra class for all of you so that you can clear all the doubts. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah. Thank you everyone. Thank you Devjani ji for your time and efforts.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining us.
Thank you.
Now we will be meeting on Saturday.
Saturday, same time.
Yeah, at 7. We will decide the time on Saturday. Okay, we will decide the time. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Ma'am, I
Thank
have
you everyone.
ma'am. So 7 o'clock is comfortable for me.
7. Acha, you are comfortable with 7 o'clock? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.